Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Madhusmita. Good evening, Mancha. Sayanti. Let's wait for everyone to join in. Then we'll begin with our marathon series. We'll do some more new questions related to the general aptitude, right? Please make sure that you are watching all the other 50 plus lectures that we have for your revision, for your practicing, right? And if you're new to Botany Insider, please make sure to download the application. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button, right? So very good. We have 6 students in the class right now. Let's wait for just one more minute and then we'll begin, right? So those of you who are joining new, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Good evening to all the students joining in, right? So we have our own application which you can download from both the iOS as well as from the Play Store. It is available on both. In addition, we also have our own website. You can just search botanyinsider.com on the Google and you'll be able to explore our complete website, right? So this was about the introduction. Then if you are preparing for the June examination, we have a practice course running for you. It is a previous year question practicing daily basis, 8:30 to 10 we are having the classes. So those of you who are facing any difficulty in solving out the previous year questions, or those of you who don't understand about कि how to approach the questions कि एग्ज़ाम के अंदर पार्ट ए, पार्ट बी, पार्ट सी इन्हें अप्रोच कैसे करना है, किस तरीके से सॉल्व आउट करना है. सो यू कैन डाउनलोड द ऐप एंड गेट योर सेल्फ इनरोल्ड इन द same, right? We also have a crash course running for the revision purpose. So if you want, you can download the app and get yourself enrolled in the same. In addition to that, if you are targeting the December 2023 examination, so we are starting off with a new batch very soon. It would be a live batch. You'll get all the details very soon. Okay, we have a WhatsApp group for the same. You can till then join in that particular WhatsApp group and you will get extra 10% off during the time of enrollment. You'll be getting the actual course launched very soon, so wait for it. You, if you wish, you can download and then you can get yourself enrolled in the same. Okay, so this was about it. Let's begin. This is the very first question for you all. Yesterday or day before yesterday I gave you the same question and many students got the incorrect answer for this. So everyone give it a try to this question. The question is, a family of mother, father, daughter, son and his wife for a photograph. They are posing for a photograph and they need to occupy a sequential position, right? So you need to remember two main conditions. First condition is that the spouses are sitting next to each other. So mother and father, like the married couples, would be sitting next to each other, and always the daughter would be sitting next to her mother, right? So it is saying that if E is occupied by the son, you need to find out of the 4 which one of them is necessarily true. Okay, everyone give it a try. 11 students in the class. These type of questions are time and again repeated in the examination. Give it a try to this. It's a simple question, but in the previous class many of you got it incorrect. So practice it again. Okay. Everyone give it a try to this. Okay, very good, very good. 14 students in the class. Let's give it a try to this question. So look into this question now. See, the question is saying that we have 5 of the family members, A, B, C, D, E, right? Then it is asking you that E is always occupied by the son. This is the first condition. Second condition is that always the mother and the daughter would be sitting together, and third, the spouses are sitting together, right? So that means what? If E is son, D would all for sure be the wife, right? This is correct. So D can never be occupied by the daughter. This option is incorrect, right? Then A, B and C. So we need to check these two conditions. So first condition is, let's say A, B, C, and the second condition also. In the first condition, let's say A is occupied by the daughter. If A is occupied by the daughter, B would be mother, C would be the father, right? Because the daughter and the mother will have to be seated together. So B will be mother and the C would be father, right? In the second condition, let's say C is the daughter. Okay. If C is daughter, then B is mother and A is the father, right? There is no other condition possible. Reason being, B cannot be the daughter because the spouses need to sit together. So we need to make sure that the spouses are either AB or BC. There are only two conditions possible. So C is always occupied by daughter. That is not necessarily true because C can be occupied by the father as well. Then A is occupied by the father. Incorrect, because A can be occupied by the daughter as well. But B is always being occupied by the mother. This one is a correct answer, right? So B is the correct answer for this particular question, right? I hope this question is clear to everyone. Right, B is the correct answer. Next question, again a new type of question for you all. The question is saying a box contains 4 jerseys with the player's name printed on it. The 4 players pick up a jersey at random. So you need to find out the total number of the players wearing their own jerseys. Cannot be, because it's a box, and in this box it's a very random arrangement. No one is looking at their t-shirts and they're just picking up and wearing it, right? So you need to find out the number of ways the player or the total number of players wearing their own jerseys can never be equal to which of the following. Give it a try to this question, everyone. Give it a try to this question, everyone. It's a very simple one. If you analyze it properly, if you try to find the answer properly, you'll get it very easily. Okay, give it a try. Okay, very good, very good. Some of you are majority of you are getting the answer as option number C, and few students have marked the answer as B or D. Let's see. See, again this one is an analytical question. Okay, you need to keep all the scenarios in mind in order to find out. Let's say there are 4 players. Player A is player A, player B, player C and player D. Okay, now you need to find out that number of players not wearing their own jerseys, right? We need to find those many possible arrangements. If A cannot wear his own jersey, which all jerseys can he wear? B, C and D, right? If like this, these are the ways. Then second, B can wear C, D, A, because we need to find out the number of ways in which they are not wearing their own jerseys. C is D, A, B and D is A, B, C, right? Because the total number of players wearing their own jerseys can never be, it can never be equal to what? It can never be equal to 3, right? So answer for this particular question is option number C. So this question could also be asked in a way that what are the number of ways in which a different jersey would be worn by them, right? So it would be 1, 2 and 3 ways. 3 conditions are possible, and that is the reason why answer for this particular question is option number 3. Is it clear to everyone? Yes. Or you can do it in this manner also, like A, B, C and D. Let's say A is wearing his own jersey. If A is wearing his own jersey, then B can wear C, C can wear D, D can wear A, D can wear B, right? So how many ways are there? 3 ways. So you can do it this way as well. Answer for this question is option number 3. I hope this particular question is clear to you, right? To all the students. Okay, let's move forward. And these type of questions have been repeated a number of times. And the question that I have taken is, I guess from June 2021. Okay. Now, one revision for you all. If you remember, yesterday we discussed a concept in which we understood about how to find out the number of ways in which a specific word can be arranged in different manner, or the number of ways in which the rearrangements are possible, right? So, I am giving you one question for the same. Try it out everyone, because that particular type of question is again very important. So, the question is, try to find out the number of ways in which we can rearrange this is the first one, and the second one is okay. Give it a try to this particular question. You need to find out the number of ways in which we can rearrange the word exam, and the second word is success. Okay, so I've given you both the formats. Give it a try. If you were there in the previous class, you will be easily able to solve this question. And in one other class, we will be doing the concept of R hand question. Like if you have seen, there are a number of times questions are asked related to the same thing. And in the previous year, in the latest year, there was a question in which the examiner asked that number of times a specific angle would be formed between the hour hand and the minute hand. So we'll be discussing all those things in a separate different class. Okay, for exam it is 24. How? So 1 2 3 4, just write down 4 factorial. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Very good. Find out for the success. Yesterday we had a very good discussion regarding this particular concept, right? For second one also, find it out everyone. find out. Very good, very good. Let's give it a try to this. So yesterday we had a discussion regarding this also, that when the alphabets get repeated, so in that particular condition you have to like divide it with the number of the words getting repeated. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so 7 factorial upon C is getting repeated twice, so 2 factorial multiplied by S is getting repeated 3 times, so 3 factorial. So now just solve it out. So it is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, 3, 2 and 1, right? So 2 into 3 into 2 into 1, so 3 to 1, 3 to 1, and so 7 3s are, calculate it over here, 7 3s are 21 and 5 4s are 20. So it would be 420 would be the correct answer for this particular question. Is it clear to everyone? Very good, excellent. Sushmita, I guess there was some mistake in your calculation, and Mansha, check out the thing. Then one more student who has marked the answer wrong. Love for nature, your name. No, we have to see na, like in this question the repetition can be seen itself. The examiner will not be mentioning the consideration of the word success, like he won't be telling you that you have to consider the repetition or not. This is a separate concept altogether, so you will have to consider it for anyhow, right? So please make sure that you have remembering this particular concept. Okay, calculation mistake. Love for nature, answer is 420. It is not 1260. Okay, I hope this particular concept is clear to everyone. Let's move forward now. Just a second. Just a second, I guess there is some technical issue. Okay, Mansha, it's your first class. That's a very good thing. Make sure that you are checking out all the other classes as well. Students, I guess there is some technical issue. Let me try to resolve it. Okay, not able to do anything in the laptop.